This season is all about transformation, a house become a home, a garden finding its shape. Bit by bit, I'm creating a space that feels like it belongs, where everything has a purpose, a rhythm, a story. Today I'm adding life to the garden, planting perennials that we will turn year after year. And in the corner where the shadows linger, I'm making space, saying goodbye to an old apple tree that's had its time, and maybe trying out a new tool along the way. The past few months have been all about making this house a home, peeling back layers, restoring, reimagining. But now with spring unfolding around me, my focus has shifted. This garden is going to be something special, and at the heart of it, a greenhouse. For the past 3 weeks, I've been working to building this space that feels like it belongs here. Something simple, affordable, but beautiful. Something that fits within the rhythm of the house and the land. There's something about a delivery like this. It feels like the garden is coming to life before my eyes. My friends at Greenify have made it super easy with their ready to plant perennial flower beds. I picked two, a gray-blue bed for soft and calming tones, and a shady bed to brighten the space around my sunroom.
Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight.
Soil makes all the difference. My garden soil is good, lots of worms, which is always a good sign. But I'm adding high quality soil and compost for extra nutrients. I've found that cheaper soil often has too much wood fiber. I'm using Champost, a Danish brand, but wherever you are, look for soil that's dark, rich, and full of organic matter. So this spot needed something lush, and this shady perennial bed is perfect. It's ferns, hosta, astilbe, and heuchera. They add texture and depth even without full sun. So the plan is to make this area behind the house, right outside my office, blooming with beautiful foliage.
And I've come out here to say that I love you.
this apple tree has been here a long time, and when I first moved in, I had hopes for it. I imagined fresh apples in the fall, maybe a little homemade cider, but reality set in fast. The apples were small, not great for eating, and honestly, the tree needs so much work to be productive again. It's overgrown, and at this point, it would take years of pruning to bring it back. And I have plans for this corner. A raised bed for lettuce right in the back, which means I need more sun. Right now, this tree shades out most of this space. But let's be honest, there's another reason I'm doing this today. I got a new tool, and I really want to try it out. This thing is apparently a beast. Powerful, efficient, and honestly, I hope it makes the job a whole lot more exciting. Next on my list of to-dos, finishing this greenhouse. As I talked about in my last video, I want to build this construction in front of the entrance, just to make it more, just to make it a little bit more special than just a metal frame. This is the gray-blue perennial bed, a mix of soft blues, silvery greens, and whites. It's designed for a long bloom season from April to October, and it's pollinator friendly, so my garden will be buzzing with life. These plants thrive in full sun and need minimal care. Perfect for a low maintenance, beautiful garden. Now I just need to get them all in the ground. With every plant in place, the garden feels one step closer to what I've envisioned. A garden is never really finished, but this is a good beginning. I found this greenhouse secondhand on Marketplace. Such a good find. It would have been easier to just place it straight on the ground, but I couldn't do that. I wanted it to feel right, to settle into this space as if it had always been here. I wanted this greenhouse to feel like an extension to the house, not just a structure, but a part of the story. Built on a budget, but made with intention. It's definitely not perfect, but maybe that's what makes it feel just right. This tree has had its time, but today we're making space for something new. Now, just have to decide, do I leave it and grow a nice flowery plant to grow up and surround it? Or do I take it down more, maybe use it as a pedestal for, I don't know, little bathhouse for birds. Could that be an idea? Leave a comment if you have other ideas. A garden is never really finished. It shifts, it grows, it changes with the seasons and with us. Today I made space for light, for new life, for what comes next.